Did you notice the sudden spike in the sentiment score for the defense sector, now at plus 0.40? This is a noticeable jump compared to the historical baseline. Coupled with a momentum of plus 1.15, it hints at a significant shift in sentiment that you'll want to track closely. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters, to give you context around this data. Right now, there are 20 active clusters, which could indicate emerging themes or concerns worth exploring. Imagine you're developing a trading strategy or risk management tool. You can leverage this sentiment data to make informed decisions about defense stocks, especially in volatile conditions. To dive deeper and see how this can enhance your application, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn data into actionable insights together.